Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to set your website language in Hostinger Website Builder. First, go to Website Settings, then click on SEO Settings. Click on Website Overview. Click on this Edit button under Website Language. As you can see, you can select your website language from this list. Let's go with English and hit Save. Now, all you need to do is to update your website to reflect your changes online. And this is how to declare your website language in Hostinger Website Builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger Website Builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.